This is not financial advice. I'm recording my thoughts about Salesforce. Its stock is down to about $168 today, and I think it is a good buy. Salesforce is a leader in the customer relationship management industry, and it has more than 20% market share. They just reported their earnings and they made about $7.7 billion of revenue, which beat the expectations, and it represents 22% year-on-year growth. But the stock is down because they have reduced their guidance. In the next quarter, they're only saying that they can grow at about 17%. And for this full financial year, they're saying that they can only make about $31 billion of revenue, whereas previously they said they can make about $32 billion. So this reduced guidance made the stock fall. Salesforce also announced that they will buy back their stock, and initially they're going to buy about $10 billion worth of stock. For me to make an investing decision, I need to look at its evaluation in 2026. The CEO Mark Benioff constantly said that they can achieve the $50 billion revenue mark in the financial year of 2026, and they said they can grow about 20% in the coming few years, but I'm only going to assume about 14% revenue growth, which will enable Salesforce to make about $52 billion of revenue in 2026. Their gross margins are in the order of 75%, so they can easily make 25% net profit margin, but I'm just going to assume 22.5% net profit margin just to be on the conservative side. So when I assume 22.5%, they will make about $12 billion of net income in 2026. With respect to multiple, this company has great moat. They are growing at about 20% year on year, and they have net profit margin close to 25%, right? So I can easily assign a 25 multiple, and I'm confident that the market will pay more than 25 if they keep executing better than expected. So I'm only going to look at a multiple of 25. This company would be worth about $295 billion in 2026. This company has about 990 million outstanding shares. But since they have announced the stock buybacks, I'm going to assume that they would buy back 1% each year in the coming 4 years to make the outstanding share count as about 950 million. So if I divide this $295 billion of market cap with 950 million outstanding shares, the stock price would be about $308 in 2026. Currently it's at $167, right? So that's almost 2x in 4 years. That sounds like a very good risk reward to me because this company has moat and it has very good management. And they're announcing stock buybacks, and Salesforce is not just one company, it's a conglomerate of multiple companies that have very good brand value, right? Because of this attractive risk reward, I'm going to buy this stock at this price.